Hey there! Let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand involves getting all properties of a class that have a private setter. It sounds straightforward, right? But as we dig deeper, we notice a peculiar behavior that needs addressing. Now, onto the solution we have in place. By leveraging a neat snippet of code, we're able to retrieve all the properties that have a private setter in a given class. The key lies in recursively checking for such properties, including those from the base class if one exists. This ensures that we capture all the relevant properties, providing us with a comprehensive list. In wrapping up, we've explored a nifty solution to a tricky problem. By incorporating recursive logic, we've managed to successfully extract properties with private setters from a class, even considering properties from its base class. And with that, we've come to the end of our discussion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, happy coding!